Module 2, Lesson 3, Skills to Master. We've talked about what you might already bring to the table, but now let's explore three major categories of VA skills. These areas will shape the services you offer and can help you define your niche. We have administrative skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. But let's dive into administrative skills first. Under these, we have email management, scheduling, and data entry. First off, email management. As you know, this is one of the most in demand VA tasks. By sorting, prioritizing, and responding to emails, you save your client hours every day. Alam mo ba, sa dami ng emails na pumapasok sa inbox ng clients mo, minsan di na nila alam kung saan yung important at yung spam lang. That's where you come in. Para kang traffic enforcer ng inbox. You organize, you filter, you respond. Kasi sino bang may time mag-check ng 1,000 email kada araw, di ba? E di ikaw na. For example, you can use Gmail filters to automatically organize messages into categories like urgent, pending, or to review. Clients appreciate when their inboxes are organized and clutter-free. It gives them peace of mind. So kung sanay kang mag-organize ng emails for yourself, this skill can easily be applied to your clients. Next on the list, we have scheduling. You know, coordinating appointments, meetings, and even travel plans is critical administrative task. Tools like Google Calendar or our apps like Calendly make it simple. Clients are busy juggling meetings, events, and sometimes self-care, kunyari lang. Kaya nga ikaw na ang magiging ultimate calendar master. Ikaw ang gagawa ng schedules nila na hindi sabog, no more double bookings or missed appointments. Ikaw ang magiging guardian angel ng oras nila. So, always double check time zones if your client works internationally. Confirm schedules in advance to avoid conflicts. Halimbawa, kung may nakaschedule na Zoom meeting, make sure na maibigay ang meeting link ahead of time or i-remind si client regarding that meeting. Okay? You will definitely save your client's time. And third, under administrative skill, we have the data entry. Data entry is all about accuracy. Whether you're updating spreadsheets, databases, or CRMs, being detail oriented is essential. Let's be real. Data entry is time consuming at nakakawalan ng brain cells if paulit-ulit. It's boring. But ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. This will attest your being attention to detail person. Pero ikaw, para kang superhero with the power of accuracy. Habang nasa meeting si client, ikaw naman ang bahala sa paglagay ng important details sa tamang lugar. It's simple but life-saving for them because everything should be recorded, right? Example, you have to track sales, update customer details, or organize leads into categories using Google Sheets or Excel. Mistakes in data entry can cause major delays. So always double check your work. Be careful kasi once na may mistake ang isa, it will really affect the whole system. So be attentive and be careful. The second major skill is the marketing skills. Under these, we have social media management, content creation, and SEO basics. Social media management, we have planning, creating, and scheduling posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all social media platforms. It is the most valuable skill of all in terms of marketing. Kung si Claret ay wala ng time mag-post or mag-check ng comments sa social media, ikaw ang magiging digital social butterfly nila. From creating captions na witty hanggang replying to comments, lahat yan ikaw. Ang goal? Para magmukhang present sila online kahit busy in real life. Example, you can use tools like Canva to design graphics and scheduling apps like Buffer or Later to plan posts in advance. Clients love it when their social media presence is consistent and professional. So, tip: kahit wala ka pang experience, you can create mock social media calendars and designs for your portfolio. You have to be creative in this field if you want to be a social media manager because it involves graphic designs. That also coincides the second skill under marketing. We have the content creation. Writing blog posts, crafting newsletters, or designing marketing materials helps businesses stand out. Most of the clients are not creative. Sometimes they just rely on their VAs like, "Oh, ito gusto namin and blah blah blah." And then you are going to, you know, let your creativity shine. So yon ang napaka good skill talaga. Clients need fresh and engaging content to keep their business alive. But let's face it, creating content takes time, effort, and creativity. Now, here comes you, the creative genius. You'll help with graphics, videos, and posts that make their brand pop. Yan. Example, write a sample blog post or create an email campaign template for your portfolio. Pair your writing with visuals to make the content more engaging. So kung mahilig kang magsulat or magdesign, this is a great skill to showcase. Okay? Third is the SEO basics. Search engine optimization is all about helping clients rank higher in search results. Even basic knowledge like using keywords or analyzing site traffic is a big plus. This is a different skill that you want if you want to upskill SEO. So when we say SEO, this is the words used para ma-rank higher or makita or mag may maraming reach or engagement ang isang post from the business. So this is also an important skill if you are into marketing. Okay? Huwag matakot sa SEO. Hindi mo kailangan maging rocket scientist para dito. Pero kung alam mo ang basics like optimizing blogs and doing keyword research, sobrang laki ng maitutulong mo. It's like you're helping your client get discovered by the right audience sa Google. Okay? May mga tools naman dyan like SEMrush, mga tools for SEO, but we will dive into that. In here, we have an example. Practice using free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to find trending keywords. Understanding SEO can help you write blog posts or optimized website pages for better visibility. So, tip here: clients love VAs who can help them grow their online presence. Okay, so marketing skills. All right. The third major skill is the technical skill. Under these, we have tools like Google Workspace, being expert with a CRM software, or additional tools. Let's dive first with Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a must have for every VA. Knowing how to use Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail can make your work more efficient. Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive. Google Workspace is a life of VA. This is our second bestie. Pero kung hindi ka tech savvy si client, baka maloka sila sa dami ng tools, you know? So ikaw na ang bahala mag-organize, manage, and collaborate gamit ang Google Workspace. Effortless teamwork? Check. Example: use Google Sheets to create a client tracker or slides for a professional presentation. Gmail filters can help you organize your inbox and save time. Sobrang daming features ng Google Workspace that will really help the client with their business. It will also help you to become organized. For example, for the Google Sheets, you can put all the potential leads, the lead generation tab, what else? The customer information, and so much more, and organize it in one folder. Whenever you forget something, you can just go back and edit it. So, very easy. This will really help you organize. Be organized rather. So, basic skills lang ang kailangan para magamit ang mga tools na ito effectively. You can learn this overnight. Okay. Next, we have the CRM software. Customer relationship management platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce are great for organizing client data. If you want to upskill with being expert in the CRM software, you have to choose at least one. You can use Go High Level, HubSpot, or Salesforce. Salesforce. So you have to choose one and be expert on that. You study the CRM tool, how to use it, the features, paano ba to siya makascale to the client and their business, and that will be your edge as a VA because you know that tool. You know, a lot of clients are using these CRM to help their leads organize. So in Google Workspace, we do Google Sheets, but with the CRM tools, it's organized as well, and it's automated. Okay? For the Google Workspace, it's manual. All right? Even basic knowledge can help you stand out as a VA because CRM tools sound fancy, pero ang totoo, it's just about managing client relationships. Kapag busy si client sa paghanap ng bagong leads or follow-ups, ikaw ang magiging sidekick na mag-aasikaso ng lahat ng details. Parang memory bank ka ng business nila, something like that. For example, use free trials of these platforms to practice managing customer data or tracking leads. You can use these tools as well if you are looking for your direct clients. So you can try that. CRMs are especially useful for clients in sales or customer service industries. Okay? Lastly, we have additional tools. Being familiar with tools like Zapier for automation or Slack for communication can add value to your VA services. Trello, Asana, at kung ano-ano pang tools, yan ang makakatulong para maging smooth ang workflow ni client. Kaya dapat marunong ka nito para ikaw ang bridge ng productivity nila. Ikaw ang secret weapon nila for efficiency. In this world where technology and innovation is expanding, very useful talaga ang knowledgeable sa mga tools because the tools will leverage you from being a VA. This will help alleviate clients' burden when it comes to tasks, managing, organizing, and so much more. So if you know one tool, then you have to master it so that you can propose it to your client and you will become an asset to the business. Okay? For example, learn how to set up simple automations in Zapier, like sending notifications when a form is submitted, just like what I've used when someone joined or someone is interested in my workshop. So once they submitted a form from JotForm, I use Zapier to automate it para hindi na ako nagma-manually send ng email to them. So whenever someone submitted a form, Zapier will do its job to automatically send an email to the person with the necessary information from the workshop. So that's what I've been doing. Very simple automation like Zapier can be a great advantage for you as a virtual assistant. Okay? Slack is perfect for staying connected with your clients or their team. So it's a communication tool, a very popular communication tool. Slack, Microsoft Team, WhatsApp, and so much more. Mas madali ang trabaho kapag marunong kang gumamit ng mga tools. But you don't have to worry with these skills. We will learn them video by video. So I will be creating different videos from email management, how to schedule, how to do data entry, what tools to use, how to use basic features with HubSpot, with Salesforce, and a lot more. So keep learning, Keep watching the modules, and by the end of this, you will definitely learn the tools. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.